Hello, my name is Richard, and here to look at the AccuMed model AC CMS50D1. We're going to unbox it. And truth in advertising, I received a full rebate for this from the manufacturer in exchange for an honest review. So it is a nifty little piece of equipment. It will be interesting to see if it works, which I will be demonstrating in another video. It comes in a small box. For those of you who don't know, a pulse oximeter is just checking the oxygen level in your blood. It says that this is not medical grade, but it's good enough for me, okay? And it's probably going to be good enough for you too, unless you need medical grade. One of the first symptoms of COVID is that your oxygen levels in your blood drop. So I just wanted something that I could keep an eye on, that I could know what my normal levels look like. So we're not going to operate it yet, but we're just going to take a look at it. And it's a nifty little device. It comes with a little bag to keep it in, and the company is even nice enough to throw in batteries. A brand you never heard of, but beggars choosers, you get the idea. All right, so be looking for a future video in a couple of days on just how this thing works. It's, again, the Pulse AccuMed Model AC CMS50D1 Oximeter, or Oximeter, for those of you across the pond. Okay, so, and batteries. All right, so I'm going to go check it out, and I'll get back with you and let you know what I find out.